Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that gold this month was first 3 weeks was strongly bearish, has broken all this monthly support, and then we have seen a bounce. Now, at the end of the month, we see that the price started to move up, and with that movement, what I think that gold might break this monthly resistance. As we see that previous months gold had a rejection from this resistance zone and leave an imbalance in that zone. This long week has not been tested, and we can expect now gold to go ahead and fill that imbalance, and we can see that gold is breaking this monthly high. Now if we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly back to back 2 weeks now gold is showing bullish momentum. Previous week we saw that from this important level of support gold had a bounce from this weekly bullish engulfer, which in fact crossed the low, crossed the high, which is a full body green, and from that zone we saw that gold had a bounce. Now with that bounce currently gold above this 20 EMA. What I think that we could see that after little pullback, continuation to the upside on gold to create a new higher high. Now, if we look at this weekly perspective on gold, we see that this price in a bull flag for long-term perspective. If we look at, we see that from the support of this bull flag, the price had a bounce. We can expect now to go ahead and test the resistance of this bull flag, which is also monthly resistance level. Looking at the weekly time frame to see how the price is doing. Now from the daily we can see that gold has in fact from this daily back to back to daily middleman, and with these two middleman gold has formed this bullish engulfer with this weakless candle on the daily. The price has broken this market structure which was in a downtrend. We saw that from the daily the price was creating series of lower high and lower low, and from that zone we saw that gold had formed this impulse correction back to back two dodges, and we have seen that gold had another bounce. Now this is the current daily candle. We have seen the price has tested this support level, and from that support we see that the price had completely has broken to the upside, and we can expect now this price to continue to rise as news coming later today. The price is approaching this swing high on the daily. What I think that after a little pullback we can expect this price to continue to rise towards its long-term direction. Now looking at very lower time frame on the 15 minutes for an entry opportunity on gold, we see that there was a breakdown here from this level, which we have been able to take a very successful trade from that zone, and we saw that with this dodgy formation had a bounce from this level. Now at this point we see that gold currently in this 15 minutes time frame created an impulse during the news with this red candle, had a pullback. Now the price is consolidating in that area. What I think that at any point we can expect another drop here, a pullback. Now with that pullback, either we could see gold is testing this important previous resistance here as a support along with the 20 EMA. Along this zone we will wait for a potential entry opportunity for this move to the upside. As soon as you will find suitable entry, you will consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. That will help this idea to be visible to more traders. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.